game. But before we start this battle, I will divide you guys into two groups. First the girls. All the girls will cheer for Sassy. Come on, girls, let me hear your cheer. Sassy! Sassy! Very good. And how about the boys? All the boys will cheer for Rocky. Come on, boys, let me hear your cheer. Rocky! Rocky! Very well. So first ready, Peter's ready, set, go! Here goes Rocco's first goal. First goal for Rocky, followed by Sassy, and it's a start game for the last ball. Who's gonna win? Who's gonna win? And Rocky! What a close game! Trainer AJ, what can you say about that? You guys lose this time.
Hold it, we want another race.
Oh, she wants another race, Fair John?
Are you sure about that? Do you want Sassy to lose again?
This time I guarantee you that Sassy will lead.
So, what race do you have in mind?
I'm thinking about the ring race.
And what is a ring race?
The first bird who can grab 3 rings into the pole the fastest is the winner, and that is a ring race.
So, our ring race it shall be. Remember guys, that boys already have 1 point. So girls, let's cheer louder for Sassy to win this time. We'll be doing this again and this time our ring race. Ready, set, go! Here goes Rocco's first ring. First one for Rocky. Trainer John, what can you say about that? 3 rings at the same time.
Hey, you guys cheated!
Oh, he thinks you cheated.
No, we didn't cheat. Sassy used her brain.